Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the strength of sewage. So in the strength of sewage, first we look at there is a BPO. So what is meant by BPO? So a BPO is the biological oxygen demand. So it's the biological oxygen, it is a demand. And under the BPO, biological oxygen demand, it is a standard test which is an indicator of the organic content of the sewage. So it is standard test for the indicator for the organic content of the sewage, for organic content. And this is of the sewage. It is defined as the amount of oxygen absorbed by a sample of the sewage. It is amount of oxygen which is absorbed, amount of oxygen absorbed by a sample of sewage during a specified period. From sample of sewage, and this will be at specified temperature. So this is generally around 20 degrees Celsius, and this is for aerobic destruction or use of organic matter by living or microorganisms. So this is by the aerobic destruction or use of organic matter by living microorganism. The use of organic matter by living organisms. So what does a high BOD signify? So if there is a high BOD, so say it is 300 mg per, this indicates a high content of easily degradable. So it is high content and it is easily degradable. So it means it is easily degradable, and this organic material, while a low BOD, so a low BOD, it means it is about 100 mg per, and here it indicates the presence of the content that is not easily degradable. So not easily degradable. So a low volume of the organic matter are the measurable problems. So it has a low volume of organic matter or measurable problems. Next comes the COD. COD means chemical oxygen demand. So it's chemical oxygen demand. So this is a test, measures the oxygen equivalent. So there's a oxygen equivalent of that portion of the organic matter in the sample that is susceptible to oxidation by a stronger chemical oxidizer. So which is susceptible to oxidation. Susceptible to oxidation. This is by a strong chemical oxidizer. Strong chemical oxidizer. So this is mostly used when the sewage contains toxic waste. So this is mostly used when the sewage contains a toxic waste. Next, we look at the suspendable solids. So suspended solids, the amount of suspended solids in the sewage, it may vary from 100 to 600. So the suspended solid is vary from 100 to the 500 ppm, that is mg per liter. Here if the level of suspended solids is about say 100 ppm, then the sewage is weak. Then sewage, if you see, it will be weak. And if there is a more than 500, the sewage is strong. If it is greater than 500, the sewage is strong.